Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, Gaza Nation. Right now, we see the world boss a premiere a new thing. The world boss a premiere a new thing we call polo. Yo, you don't know the world boss already in a nation, people. So when it come on to them type of song there and them type of influence there, the world boss as a young artist with the same impact, the same influence. The only difference is at that time you never have no internet, so it never stink up the whole universe like that. But physically in Jamaica, when the world boss come out and go Jersey, I don't know gimmicks thing. The whole Caribbean I wear jersey. All churchmen I wear jersey go with tie. No gimmicks thing na the inner nation people. But you don't know. Make me step first, cause you know me a concrete stepper. And anywhere me step from it shaky, you know what time it is. Here we go on. For the world, it's not a plan. So what you are going on, nation people? A franchise, the choosing one, the 10-star general. You don't know what it go. When we come to represent, full effecting man. You don't know what it go. When we load up, aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment, sound the big thing them. Nation people, you don't know a loud explosion boat, yeah. Watch me, man. Are the people's champion. Oh, you mean? Hey, yo, Gaza favorite, most definitely. Watch me. Are the most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. What? Your nation people, it can't get no better than this. Hear me I say, right about now, we see the world boss have some hits for a premiere on him Instagram. Where they in the pipeline load up, ready for drop necessary equipment. Take over the whole place. It's only a pretty, the world boss I drop it when the summer, you know what I mean, about for out. But no worry, it's still going to take over the whole nation. That's the dynamic where the guy have. You see what I say? Yeah, very eccentric. No gimmicks thing that about it. One of a kind artist. Legendary status. No gimmicks business not dead about it. So right about now when the polo touch the scene, it a go left it messy. Me not ask you know. I tell you know. I years world boss I do them thing ya. World boss I do them thing ya for them young artists coming out the business. No gimmicks thing not dead about it. When the world boss go Jersey, me say nation people because the internet never there about them time there about anybody can tell you the whole Jamaica wear jersey. What me say? Churchman I wear jersey go funeral with blood clot necktie. No gimmicks business not thing not dead about it. You know, the world boss alone have them impact there in a dancehall. Nobody can say a lie. Nobody can contest it. You see what I say? I can't wait till the boss drop that. Because the song sound like a living fire and the flow where the world boss I use, the technique where I use, it look like a modern technology to me. You see what I say? Me don't know how the world boss I find them flow there like him a 16 or 17-year-old. Me bumper ass clock nation people. A living fire. When the general ready for drop necessary equipment, it not gonna be pretty about ya. You see what I say? Yeah. It gonna be crazy. Yeah. I saw the world boss deal with them thing. Crazy. We don't know the world boss is a man, you know. As we find all different type of topic, you know. for sing about, you know. You see what I say? Yeah, you have no topic where the world boss never touch yet in a dancehall. Eh? I want to know if there's a topic where the world boss never yet touch in a dancehall. Yeah, come on, nation people. Crazy thing. Crazy thing, man. I can't wait. You see what I say? Most of all, I can't even wait till the Privy Council call the general case and send him home. You see what I say? At that nation people are wait for. And that's why you not see you not to kill up yourself on the internet and a flag. Run go chat about this and run go chat about that. We are wait for the grand finale. No worry on yourself. It's coming forward. You see what I say? Soon. Sooner than all the think nation people. You see what I say? It's going to come like a thief in the night for you. No joke shit not dead about it. I remember me tell you something. When that happen, dancehall are going to collapse. You hear that? Yeah, some boy are going to have heart attack. No gimmicks business not dead about it. So, we're going on a free run, you know. I can't say, we don't get on a free run 11 years now. And we get on a big free run and make sure we don't know what to do with it. Because here we are going. When the general forward a different type of catastrophe, I not ask you know. I tell you that. You hear me I say the demands of my general are going in a total different thing from when enough people think. You think it's a gimmicks business or a lollipop thing, just wait down and go see what I go on, man. Some boy feel like when I think when I can underrate the general thing and think it's some form of games business, or I think the general in a playing thing, you know what I mean? But I think the general just keep it cool and not too rare. Wait, man. We're not going to see. You know what I mean? We're not going to see. Because I'm not asking you, know, if the Privy Council send home the general, you know. I'm not have to ask, you know. Them not have nothing upon the general. You see what I say? No joke thing not there about it. You see what I say? If you don't notice, all you see UTG. When you see the youth them kill up themselves, at the grand finale the youth them wait for. Wait till daddy come home. You know, you see what bomb buckler go on in a dancehall street. Here's some man, a ball board popcorn collect 22 million and a give man 100,000. You don't see blood clot, nothing yet. Because when the world boss drop a road, a total different thing. Dancehall step up around 300 and I forgot pay them man the any 300. Any bomb buckler time, him touch road or any concert you know book him for out of Jamaica. Now gimmicks bomb buckler, business not dead about it in a nation people. You hear that? Yeah, no gimmicks business not dead about it. At the general first I collect 100,000 long bomb buckler time. You see what I say? I never too hype and nobody now use it against the people them. You see me now use it against no artists neither. You don't know the thing go already. Shagaza we represent there ain't no other way. Yeah, but nation people, and you sag up on yourself for that polo thing there. So when it drop, you can stream it and run up the numbers span it. Because the gimmicks thing not dead about it. The world boss, very immaculate when it come on to certain type of topic in a dancehall. I not have to ask you know, if it's shell. Wicked and peanut shell. No joke shit not dead about it. You see what I say? So, you big up on yourself, nation people. Bless up on yourself. Make certain you still a stream the two hits them where the world boss drop. You see what I say? Touch the sky and great. And giant should say. You see what I say? Yeah, with the Iman squash man, it a bomb down the whole of the street nation people. No gimmicks thing not there in my game. You see what I say? Yeah. And the world boss take this thing to a different level, my brother. So when you hear the world boss draw for polo, don't ask me no, if that it. You have to ask the universe. You see what I say? It's a thing what a brother you do all the while. No gimmicks thing not there about it. As me say, when the man got jersey in his young career, the whole Caribbean are wear jersey. You see what I say? Yeah, no gimmicks bum buckler thing that they about it. I never everybody all up into basketball like that. You see what I say? And when the world boss drop jersey, everybody becomes a basketball fan and everybody want jersey. And man, don't forget what I tell you now. People who wear jersey go church and blood clot funeral and wedding with necktie. Ask the people them know if I lie me I tell. Ask the people them no man. I just because the internet wasn't around those days. You see what I say? But guess what? The material evidence there for sure. Because physically the street was painted with jersey. And if you not wear no jersey them time there, it's like you're not going with nothing. No lollipop thing in my game. You don't know how we represent already. Gaza way. There ain't no other way. World boss, bless up yourself, you know, brother. And you know 10 star there, you can't wait for the grand finale. You see what I say? Yes, yes, yes. Sure is. 10 stars. General. What? Gaza way, you know. There ain't no other way. Oh.